Alright, hello YouTube, my name is Annette, aka Crushing Smile, aka Southern Firecracker, only if you make me, and we're gonna do a little get ready with me for Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for more.
Okay, y'all see this? Y'all remember this wig, right? This wig was back from like June, July. Set up a few previous vlogs. I bought this wig and the other wig, and look how natural this one looks. So I'm gonna do this wig right now. So we're gonna do it, kind of review it. I'm not gonna do a whole lot to it. I'm gonna say that right now. But also, I'm gonna do two products in here. I'm gonna do the wig. I just want to kind of bump a little bit, guy. I got him a few weeks ago, and I have been waiting patiently to use it. So, what better time to use it than now on this wig? So, first, we're gonna go ahead and use these. I like the cord. I love that. I love when it's got that function on it. It's so much better for storing. So I think I'm gonna sweep the other stuff up, but let me pull out the side profile for the hair. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and
I just wanted to come on here and share my little edge control combo. Usually I just buy a little cheapie from anywhere. The one that I'm using, the little jar, is like Lusty, and that's from Dollar Tree.
So I'm gonna take this off.
And then I pair it with a non-greasy edge control, and that is how I'm able to keep my hair from having the white cast. Because, you know, I've heard a lot of different things about edge control and how to fix it, or if you use too much of one certain edge control, it gives the white cast. Well, this way, I don't have any of that. I don't have the white cast or any of that. I'm not heavy-handed usually with my edge control, but so when I do like a greasy and a non-greasy edge control, they seem to pair well. The Goipo, that's it, Goipo, I think that's how you say it. It was the little jar that I showed you before with the pretty little black girl on it. That one, I get that from Amazon. That is pretty good. The only thing I didn't like about it is the white cast, but I fixed it by buying like little cheapies, things that I don't care about, that's not gonna cost me an arm and a leg. And I put the cheapie down first, and then I go in with the Goipo. Okay, maybe I'm saying it right, maybe I'm saying it wrong, but I go in with that on top of it, and I don't have any issues with lifting or white cast. So I just wanted to come on and say that, because I thought that was important for anybody that's having issues or the same issues. That's usually how I go in and fix it. I'll double up. Okay, that's all. All right, from this moment on, you'll see me start to take the flat iron to my hair. I won't thin it. Alright, so this is pretty much the end of the video. The last clip of this video is me just pretty much showing my hair done, what I ended up doing with it, and then my outfit for Thanksgiving. And that's pretty much it. this wig was really thick. I ended up having to do a different style because it was warm. Cooking all day with my hair down, that was not gonna work out. So I ended up doing like a 80s kind of vibe, you know, with a little bang in the front, swoop kind of situation, and pulling it back in a claw clip with the back down. So you guys will see that coming up. But yes, I love this wig. I love how natural this wig looks, and it goes really well with my face. It's not for everybody. I understand that. And a lot of people don't like wigs that's got all of this hair, but I did not mind it at all. It's probably going to be one of my preferences, outside of my curly headband wig. This one will be my number 2 on the list of love. So I just want to come in and share my 2 cents and leave y'all with I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving, and I hope Christmas goes well for everyone. And last but not least, I'll see y'all on the next one. Okay, I'm dressed, y'all. Let me flip you around so you can see the mama room. This is where we at. I got a black, they're more like workout pants, yoga pants, or whatever.